Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you some simple steps to help you fix your buffering issue on YouTube. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, open the settings menu on your device. Once the settings menu is open up on your device, find the apps option and click on it. After you click on the apps option, you'll be guided to another menu. On this menu, click on the Manage Apps option. Once you click on the Manage Apps option, you'll be guided to the Manage Apps menu. On this menu, on the search bar, type in YouTube and click on the YouTube app. After you click on the YouTube app, on the bottom of your screen, you'll see three options: Force Stop, Uninstall Updates and Clear Data. Go ahead and click on the Clear Data option. After you click on the Clear Data option, two options will appear on the screen: Clear All Data and Clear Cache. Click on the Clear Cache option, which is the second option. That method will clear all the extra data which you don't need from your YouTube app. This should fix your buffering issue on YouTube. I hope this video helped you to fix your buffering issue on YouTube. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.